Bangkok just turned into the Venice of the East. So how are we gonna do this one? I'm gonna walk back to Asoke. I'm here at Phrom Phong. Yeah, the heavens just opened up. This is the first real big rain that we had this year. I'm equipped with my umbrella because the last couple of days were a bit rainy anyway. Yeah, it's raining a bit less. See, everybody's hiding there in the central part, but I see people are starting to drive again. Most streets are completely flooded now. Yeah, before there was quite a bit of thunderstorm as well, but that seems to be stopped now. Yeah, yesterday I walked on the other side of the street. I made an update about the COVID situation and all the new rules that were in effect. Oh, this is like being on the beach. The street is completely flooded here. Yeah, so here we are in Sukhumvit 33. Look who came out of the sewer. They're all fleeing for their life. Okay, let's see how I can cross here. Yeah, now you get the traffic. Nobody's gonna walk anymore, so everybody's gonna jump into the taxis. Okay, so I'm just gonna go through here. Wow. Here you can see the water's even coming out of the main road. This is almost like being on the beach where the waves are coming in. So for now I'm taking the high ground. Wow, there's no way to escape the water here. So I have to cross a couple of more canals. I mean, you guys know that I love klongs, so there is a whole bunch of new klongs that opened up here in Bangkok. The only difference is that I have to go on it now. I'll go through it. This is where me and Pete had lunch yesterday, and we met with Chris here on the corner. Wow. Yeah, so this is Soi 31. I realize that I keep saying wow, and this is coming from the heart. Yeah, this looks like an area where I should be able to cross. Now, the most important thing is that you can see where you walk. I don't want to step into a pothole here. So we just passed Klong 31. You know, I just finished and uploaded a movie this morning that I wanted to publish today, but I guess this one is gonna have priority. So when I come home, I will edit this and put it online. I just filmed on the BTS station as well, which looked pretty different. So here we're in front of Klong 22. Yeah, I have to say this was not a normal, a normal rain. You get heavy rains every time in Bangkok, but this one was exceptional. Bangkok just turned into the Venice of the East. So how are we gonna do this one? Everything here is completely flooded. But I imagine this is going to be throughout the city. But I said it was an exceptional rain. Well, it's good for watering the plants, right? And this guy got his aim right. Yeah, this is not the moment to be in need of an ambulance. Bangkok traffic is stuck a lot of times, but with this kind of weather, it really gets gridlocked. So this is Soi 27. Whoops. Yeah, it's actually not raining anymore. I was walking with my umbrella up. See, the sky is clearing up. I mean, I'm not gonna say it's blue, but it's light. So I guess the rain stopped for today. So this is Soi 25. This is where my office is. But I'm not gonna go to my office. Here we are at Soi 23. Yeah, it started raining a bit again. Okay, so I basically walked from Phrom Phong to Asoke, but this is a different version from what I normally do. So I basically walked from Phrom Phong to Asoke, but a different version than what I normally do. So I hope you enjoyed this update. If you did, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, press the like button, and see you guys in my next video.